Yes, my dear students. So I welcome you all. And yesterday's class, uh, it was not a live class. I shared with A and B people uh, the video of previous lecture, which was there with B section. In that we discussed the content of exercise 1, NCERT exercise 1 and 2, 9.1 and 9.2. What things we discussed, very simple and short exercise. That's why I don't feel that you will have any doubt. This first exercise was based on the concept of first of all, let us have a quick revision of 2 minutes. First of all we discussed what is a differential equation. Differential equation is an equation. Equation means combination of x, y, means variables, constants and operators like plus, minus, etc. Differential equation means the equation which contains derivatives also. Derivatives may be of first order, dy upon dx, or higher order derivatives are also possible, d2y upon dx square, right, which we call y double dash, or d3y upon dx cube, which is y triple dash, and all that is also possible. May not be there with power 1, it may contain y double dash whole square or y triple dash whole power 4 or like that. So this is called as differential equation. Now the concept of order and degree, it comes. Order is the order of differential equation is determined by the order of the highest order derivative present in the differential equation, and that we discussed and solved in first exercise. Similarly, degree is the power exponent of the highest order derivative present in the differential equation. तो बेहद आसानी से हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट किए थे कि डिग्री एंड ऑर्डर क्या क्या है. And some beautiful examples we saw, like y double dash plus sine of y dash. Its degree, what should be its degree? Students?
Not defined.
Its degree was not defined, right? So because this was not a polynomial form differential equation. In the polynomial form, y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, इनकी सिर्फ नेचुरल नंबर पावर्स ही अलाउड है, right? This cannot be there as a function of y dash. If it is not the polynomial form of differential equation, and hence its degree will not be defined. So such kind of examples also we saw in exercise 9.1. Then 9.2 was about verifying the general solution. Verifying the solutions actually. Right. We wrote this thing that any differential equation, when we solve the solution y equal to something in terms of x plus c, that we get what we call that solution, students? If I solve this equation, then y equal to something plus c, if this we get, what we call
general
this
solution.
This is called as general solution. This is called as general solution because it contains plus c. It is a representative of infinitely many solutions. So this is called as general solution, right? And when we put a particular value of c, for example y equal to something plus c की जगह पे मैंने 1 put कर दिया, then what is the name of this solution?
Particular solution.
Particular solution, right? Particular solution. तो ये सब हमने डिस्कस किया. 9.2 एक्सरसाइज में बेहद सिंपल काम था. एक डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन गिवन थी और एक हमको सॉल्यूशन गिवन था. पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन में भी हमको ये वेरीफाई करना था कि यह सॉल्यूशन इसका वाकई में एक सॉल्यूशन है. तो जैसे हम यूजुअली सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू वांट टू चेक वेदर दिस x equal to 1 is a solution of this or not, what you do? You just put the value of x equal to 1 there and you check whether it is satisfying or not. The same thing we have to do here also. Suppose any solution is given and you want to check whether it is really a solution of this differential equation or not. You simply have to find the y value, if needed dy upon dx value, if needed d2y upon dx square value, and put in the differential equation. And if it is satisfied, it means it is a solution. So this work was done in exercise 9.2. Just tell me those who have completed exercise 9.1 and 9.2 say yes sir. Those who have completed. Let me see.
Yes, sir.
Ek. What about A section people?
Yes, sir.
A and C section people. B people who have attended the class with me, they must have completed because we discussed in the classwork itself. What about C and A section people? Have you completed, students, your work of 9.1 and 9.2? If you are not completed, I request you people to please complete. And 9.3 exercise पे आज हम बात करेंगे. In exercise 9.3, it is the work that how to create the differential equation from the solution. It is quite opposite work of exercise 9.2. So let us see first how it will be done. Creating the differential equation. Suppose for a family of curves, right, and good thing, let us discuss with the help of question itself. So let us directly begin the first question, and while solving that question we will discuss that how to do this work. So all the students please see exercise 9.3. Yeah, this is in front of me. Can someone read this exercise? First question. Achal Sharma, will you read question number 1 of exercise 9.3? Achal Sharma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
In the case of each exercise of 1 to 5, form a differential equation representing the given family of curves by eliminating arbitrary constant A.
Okay, first one.
X upon
Yes, x upon.
plus y upon b equals to 1.
Okay. First of all, you tell me this represents what? This equation represents what?
Intercept form of line.
Yes, this is intercept form, equation of line in intercept form. Actually it represents line, right? A and B, some values you put, this one line you will get, some other values you put, some other line, right? Different lines you will get. So this represents a family of lines. To create the differential equation, we have to eliminate A and B. See, the method is very same, that to create the differential equation, we need to eliminate the arbitrary constants, right? You know arbitrary constants, A, B, these are called as arbitrary constants. One is a natural constant, one is not arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant means the constant in which we can assign the value as per our choice. So you have to eliminate them. Point 1. Point 2, that we have to differentiate it as many times as many the number of arbitrary constants are present. So you tell me how many arbitrary constants are present? Students, how many arbitrary constants are present, students, in this equation? This equation contains two arbitrary constants, right? So we have to differentiate 2 times. If it contains one arbitrary constant, then we have to differentiate only 1 time. So let us begin. Let us differentiate it. If it is 1, differentiating 1, equation 1. So if I differentiate, I will get 1 upon a as it is. X differentiation is 1 plus 1 upon b as it is. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x. Okay. Into y differentiation will be dy upon dx with respect to x. Equal to 1 differentiation will be 0. Right. But how many times we have to differentiate as per the rule? Students, मुझे कितनी बार differentiate करना चाहिए? भाई बोलिए आप जवाब देंगे तो मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. What should be, how many times we have to differentiate this? Because 2 times, because it contains 2 arbitrary constants, so I have to differentiate 2 times. So still it is not completed, right? Final differential equation का order जो है वो 2 होगा. One more time I have to differentiate, but intelligently. First, what let us do? Dy upon dx. I think this will be minus b upon a. Dy upon dx will be minus b upon a. Now you differentiate. Now you differentiate. Again, differentiating again. So if I differentiate, dy upon dx differentiation will become d2y upon dx square equal to, and this differentiation, because it is completely constant, its differentiation will be 0. So this is our final answer, right? So 2 things we have to check, right? First of all, some equation will be given in this exercise. This represents family of different lines. We have to create a differential equation. Of course, differential equation create करने के लिए मुझे इसको differentiate करना पड़ेगा. तो करेंगे इसको differentiate, लेकिन कुछ rules हैं, 2 rules हैं. First rule says that to create the differential equation, we have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. You should keep in mind that in the final answer, there should not be any arbitrary constant. Okay? In the final answer, if any arbitrary constant is coming, it means that is not the complete answer. Still you have to do some more steps. First thing. Second thing, आपको चेक करना है कि उसमें कितने arbitrary constants हैं. जितने हैं उतनी बार differentiate करना है. We have to differentiate it as many times as the number of arbitrary constants are present. Because it was there, 2 arbitrary constants were there. तो मैंने 2 बार differentiate किया. But इस तरह से करना है differentiate intelligently कि A और B पूरी तरह खत्म हो जाए. तो फाइनल डिफरेंशियल, बिकॉज इसमें 2 थे आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट, तो इसका ऑर्डर 2 है. करेक्ट. आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरफ. आकृति, विल यू रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? I request you all, my dear students, to be ready when I call your name. It should not go blank. Aman Hussain from yes, A section. Sir. Aman Hussain, yes. Aman, will you read question number 2? What is that? Question is common for all the functions. Question is common for all. We have to create differential equation. Yes, Aman.
Question number 3 is question number 2 is y square is equal to a bracket b square minus x square.
Right. So how many arbitrary constants does it contains?
2
arbitrary constant. I have to differentiate 2 times. Let us see how to do. Directly begin कर देते हैं, है ना? Differentiate करना. Differentiating with respect to x. So if I differentiate, I will get y square differentiation with respect to x. It will be 2y into dy upon dx equals to, a is constant as it is, inside the bracket I will differentiate. B square differentiation, b is constant, it's alone, its differentiation will be 0, minus x square differentiation 2x. Fine, good. So this becomes 2y dy upon dx, I will write y dash equals to minus 2ax. 2 get cancelled. Is it my final differential equation? Yes or no, students? क्या मैं हाँ
No, sir.
नहीं, ये फाइनल इक्वेशन नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है? क्यों नहीं है ये फाइनल इक्वेशन?
सर एक आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट ए बाकी है.
क्योंकि इसमें दो समस्याएं हैं. पहली समस्या कि इसके अंदर ए आ रहा है. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के अंदर कभी आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट नहीं आता है. इसमें प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2, जहां से मैंने शुरू किया था, जो इक्वेशन मुझे गिवन थी, दैट वाज कंटेनिंग 2 आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट्स. मेरी फाइनल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का ऑर्डर 2 आना चाहिए, इसका मतलब है, लेकिन इसका तो ऑर्डर 1 है. तो प्रॉब्लम वन मोर टाइम मुझे डिफरेंशिएट करना है. लेकिन here only if you differentiate this a will not eliminate. तो मैं थोड़ा सा अरेंजमेंट कर रहा हूं. मैं क्या करता हूं कि इस x को इधर बुला लेता हूं और a को एलोन बनाता हूं. अब मैं डिफरेंशिएट करने जा रहा हूं. नाउ डिफरेंशिएटिंग अगेन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. ऑफ कोर्स लेफ्ट साइड में मुझे कोशेंट रूल ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन की जरूरत पड़ेगी, but quotient rule of differentiation you must have used multiple times. I hope you people must remember d upon dx of f upon g. This is equal to, students, g f dash minus f g dash whole upon g square. So let us apply in the left hand side. So this will become x as it is into d upon dx of y dash minus y dash as it is into dx upon dx whole upon denominator square whole upon x square is equal to minus a derivative. Minus a derivative is 0 because that is a constant, right? Now let us move ahead. Yes, this x square I am going to mix with 0. It will be 0 the right hand side, and this let us open d upon dx of y dash, y as it is, y dash differentiation will be y double dash plus y dash as it is, and the other y differentiation will be y dash, one more, minus y dash into dx upon dx is 1 is equal to 0, cross multiplied, and here I receive my final answer, x y double dash plus x y dash square minus y dash is equal to 0, right? Nothing can be cancelled. This should be the final answer. Please check it and tell me, Aman, that this is right or not. I hope it should be right. And please complete in your notebooks, students. Let us move towards the next question. Neha, will you read the next question, question number 3? Yes. I'm waiting,
sir.
Neha. Please be fast.
Yes, sir.
Neha, I'm waiting. Please be fast. I think some issues are there. Yes. Yes.
Y equals to a e to power 3x.
A e raised to power
3x
hmm.
plus b raised to power minus 2x.
B into e raised to power minus 2x. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us नेहा, पहले सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये बताइए कि क्या किया जाए. दो बातें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं और वो मैंने बताई. आपको क्या समझ आ रहा है, क्या किया जाए इसमें, मुझे क्या काम करना है नेहा?
सर पहले तो इस इक्वेशन को डिफरेंशिएट कर दो. कितनी
बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है मुझे इसको फाइनली कितनी बार?
3 टाइम्स.
क्यों 3 टाइम्स मुझे डिफरेंशिएट करना है?
सर क्योंकि इसमें आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट्स 3 है.
कौन कौन से?
ए और बी.
तो 2 ही तो हुए, 3 कहां हुए?
सॉरी 2 है.
तो मुझे 2 बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है. करेक्ट?
यस सर. Yes,
okay, तो पॉइंट नंबर 1, I have to differentiate 2 times. और क्या इंपॉर्टेंट बात है? दूसरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह कि फाइनल आंसर में क्या नहीं होना चाहिए,
आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट,
आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट्स नहीं होने चाहिए. देयर शुड नॉट बी ए, देयर शुड नॉट बी बी इन द फाइनल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ठीक है, तो शुरू हो जाते हैं. 2 बार डिफरेंशिएट करना है तो पहले एक बार तो करें. डिफरेंशिएटिंग, लेट अस बिगिन. डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. So if I differentiate with respect to x, this will become dy upon dx equal to a will be as it is, e raised to power 3x differentiation will be 3 e to power 3x, and this will be b as it is into minus 2 e raised to power minus 2x. This is one time differentiation. What next should we do? I don't think making a and b both alone is possible here, like previous question. It is not possible. So let us differentiate one more time. Differentiating with respect to x. So if I differentiate, this will become d2y upon dx square equal to a into 3 e to power 3x minus 2b into minus 2 e to power minus 2x, which if I write again, it will be d2y upon dx square equal to 9a e raised to power 3x plus 4b e raised to power minus 2x. So equation 1, equation 2, and this is equation 3. Still a and b are not eliminated. Now this order has become 2. Second order we have received here. That is okay. But still the problem is that a, b are still there. They should not be there. They should be eliminated. Then our answer will be ready. So how to eliminate them? एक तरीका तो है कि आप a की वैल्यू एक इक्वेशन से निकालिए, दूसरे में पुट कीजिए और वहां से भी इक्वेट करके तीसरे से कंपेयर कर लीजिए. But that also will be time taking. We have a better method to eliminate a and b like this. मैं क्या करता हूं, all the 3 equations let me write one below the other like this. A e raised to power 3x plus b e raised to power minus 2x. This y I am taking on the other side, minus y equal to 0. Similarly, equation 2, this is my equation 2. This is 3a e to power 3x minus 2b e to power minus 2x minus dy upon dx को मैं लिखूंगा y dash minus y dash equal to 0. And the third equation, 9a e raised to power 3x plus 4b e raised to power minus 2x minus y double dash equal to 0. Right. Now to eliminate, when the right hand side is 0, to eliminate a and b, we have a very beautiful method. What to do? To eliminate. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो, कुछ मैंने गलत तो नहीं लिखा? हाँ सही है ना? Please check. Please tell, is it right or not? So to eliminate a and b, taking determinant of the coefficients of a, b and 1. समझे? कोएफिशिएंट्स जानते हैं, है ना, मल्टीप्लायर्स. तो क्या करना है कि a, b एंड 1 के मल्टीप्लायर्स का डिटर्मिनेंट ले लीजिए. ठीक है, देखते हैं क्या आता है. दिस विल बिकम determinant, of course 3 by 3, because 3 equations, each contains 3 terms, so 3 by 3 determinant will come. First row will be a, सिर्फ a नहीं लिखना है, उसके multipliers लिखने हैं. तो it will become e raised to power 3x, b multiplier is e raised to power minus 2x, and 1 multiplier is the entire thing, minus y. And second row, in the second equation, a का multiplier है 3e to power 3x, b का multiplier है minus, b का multiplier means b को छोड़ के बाकी जो कुछ भी लिखा है that should be written, copied, minus 2e to power minus 2x and this is minus y dash, and the third row will become 9 e raised to power 3x plus 4 e to power minus 2x minus y double dash equal to 0, right? And this doesn't contain a or b, right? That only we wanted. Now just only to simplify, let us simplify. मैं क्या करता हूँ, e to power 3x फर्स्ट कॉलम से कॉमन लेता हूँ, e to power minus 2x, let us take common from second column, यहाँ से भी minus 1 उड़ा लेता हूँ कॉमन, so this will be minus e to power 3x e to power minus 2x out, and in the bracket I will have 1 3 9 1 minus 2 4 and y dash y double dash equal to 0. This let us send in the right hand side, that also will be 0. Expand this determinant. About first row I am expanding, minus 2 y double dash minus 4 y dash minus 1 3 y double dash minus 9 y dash plus y into 4 3s are 12 plus 18. 12 plus 18 how much? 30 equals to 0. Now let us simplify, and you people be ready to check the answer. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 y double dash minus 4 plus 9 is plus 5 y dash plus 30 equal to 30 y equals to 0. Minus 5 से divide करा दीजिए. This is the differential equation. Its order is 2 and it doesn't contain a or b. Right? Please check the answer and tell me, is this right or not, students?
Correct.
Correct hai? Yes. Yes. So I request you all to be very energetic, very active, and do not hesitate to respond. Don't think that what your other friends will think. Right? Yes. So I just want the energy from your side. Divya Nagar will read the next question, perhaps question 3 or 4th? 4th question. Divya Nagar? Divya, are you listening? Yes. Which question, 3 or 4th?
Sir, 4th.
4th question. So this, shall I rub? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read 4th question. और मुझे suggest भी करना क्या करना है, हाँ बोलो.
Y equals to e की power 2x into a plus bx.
एक मिनट. Y equals to e
की power 2x into a plus bx.
Okay. Your suggestion, कैसे इसको शुरू करें?
So differentiate.
डिफरेंशिएट कर दें, ठीक है. ए और बी एलिमिनेट नहीं होगा, है ना? फिर सोचेंगे, है ना? और कोई, एनीबडी एल्स? कोई और सुझाव किसी का? एनी अदर सजेशन? वन थिंग आई कैन सी दैट अगर मैं इसको अपॉन में ले लूं तो ये ए अलोन हो जाएगा, तो एटलीस्ट ए से तो निजात मिलेगी. ऑफ कोर्स कई सारे तरीके हो सकते हैं, है ना? What I am going to do, I am going to take in upon. ठीक है, आप और भी तरीके से खुद से ट्राई करिए, है ना? जैसे दिव्या ने बताया, इमीडिएटली डिफरेंशिएट करने के बाद कुछ करके हमको एलिमिनेट कर पाएंगे, आई होप. बट ये वाला मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूं और अब मैं डिफरेंशिएट करने जा रहा हूं, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. इससे मुझे फायदा ये होगा कि a सीधे एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, है ना? a डिसअपियर हो जाएगा डिफरेंशिएट करते ही, वो 0 हो जाएगा उसका डिफरेंशिएट. ऑफ कोर्स लेफ्ट साइड में मुझे प्रोडक्ट रूल ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन की जरूरत पड़ेगी, नो प्रॉब्लम, अप्लाई करते हैं. y एज इट इज e टू पावर माइनस 2x का डिफरेंशिएशन e टू पावर माइनस 2x इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस e टू पावर माइनस 2x इंटू dy अपॉन dx, राइट, इक्वल्स टू a का डिफरेंशिएशन है 0 प्लस b इंटू 1. So b, this is the derivative on differentiation. Then what should be done? Now b has become alone. right? Now again if we differentiate, this will become direct 0. So y e to power minus 2x minus 2y e to power minus 2x plus e to power minus 2x into y dash equal to b. Now differentiating again with respect to x. So if I differentiate again with respect to x, this will become minus 2 के बाद bracket y as it is, e to power minus 2x differentiation is minus 2 e to power minus 2x plus e to power minus 2x as it is into y differentiation is dy upon dx plus here also I will need product rule. So e to power minus 2x as it is, y double dash it will become plus y dash into e to power minus 2x into minus 2 equals to 0. Now e to power minus 2x common and deleted throughout, dividing by e raised to power minus 2x. So if I divide, this will become minus into minus 2 4y minus 2y dash plus y double dash minus 2y dash equals to 0. Right, let us merge the terms. Y double dash minus 4y dash plus 4y equals to 0. This is my answer, and please check this answer and tell me whether this is right or not. And you also please write in your notebooks. Check Surana, is this answer right? जरा बताओ मुझे आंसर शीट में चेक करके. Chidesh Sharma is saying, commenting that it is correct, है ना? तो आप समझे कि हमने हमारा जो मेन टारगेट है वो हमें माइंड में रखना है कि दो इंपॉर्टेंट, यस दिव्यांश, दो इंपॉर्टेंट बातें कि पहले तो देखो कितने कांस्टेंट्स थे वहां पे. यहाँ पे a और b दो आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट्स हैं, तो आई शुड डिफरेंशिएट 2 टाइम्स. दिस इज रूल नंबर 1. यस, and rule number 2 is your target should be to eliminate a and b. So you have to think, and in such a manner, yes check, in such a manner you should differentiate so that a and b get eliminated finally. Right, that plan will be yours कि कैसे हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. Devanshi Jain, I can see your name. Devanshi, will you read the next question? We are getting ready for 4th question.
5th question is
Which one, 4th or 5th? The next question.
5th.
This one was 4th. This one was 4th. I'm sorry. 5th, please read.
Yes.
Yes.
E to power x
Yes.
y equals to, sir, y equals to e to power x
Y equals to e to power x. Yes.
into a cos x
Into a cos x. Yes.
plus b sin x,
Plus b sin x.
bracket closed.
This much only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So here also the same thing. We have to differentiate 2 times. We have to eliminate a and b. Let us begin. Let us differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. So if I differentiate with respect to x, I'll get y dash is equal to, here I will need product rule of differentiation, which says e to power x as it is into derivative of the bracket, which will be minus a sin x plus b cos x plus bracket as it is a cos x plus b sin x multiplied with e raised to power x derivative, which will be e raised to power x only. This I differentiated. Now I have to differentiate one more time, but before differentiating one more time, let me simplify this. मैं क्या करने जा रहा हूँ कि इस हैवी टर्म को थोड़ा सा सिंपल बना सकते हैं. हाउ? दिस सेकेंड टर्म इज नथिंग बट y. तो इसके जगह पे मैं y लिखता हूं तो एटलीस्ट कुछ तो बात सिंपल होगी. सो y डैश इक्वल्स टू e to power x into minus a sin x plus b cos x plus y. ठीक है, ध्यान रहे your target is to differentiate 2 times. One more time we have to differentiate, keep in mind, and a and b are to be eliminated. Still both are appearing. So what I am going to do, I am going to differentiate one more time. Differentiating with respect to x. And this will give me y double dash equals to e raised to power x as it is, minus a cos x minus b sin x. ध्यान रहे प्रोडक्ट रूल यहां पे यूज हो रहा है, प्लस ब्रैकेट एज इट इज into e raised to power x derivative e raised to power x only plus y differentiation will be y dash. Okay students, what next should we do? Can you suggest me? आपको दिखना चाहिए, मुझे दिख रहा है. Can you suggest me what next should I do? From B section can someone tell me what next should I do?
सर फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस वाई लिख देंगे और सेकंड टर्म को वाई डैश लिख देंगे.
फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस वाई, बिल्कुल यू आर राइट, बिकॉज इफ आई टेक माइनस कॉमन it will become e to power x into a cos x plus b sin x which is nothing but y. तो माइनस कॉमन लेते ही ये y बन गया, इतना चीज हो गया, प्लस दिस मच इज हाउ मच, इसका वैल्यू आप यहां से निकाल लीजिए. इफ इट इज 1, इस टर्म का माइनस a sin x प्लस b cos x इंटू e टू पावर x, इस टर्म का वैल्यू इस इक्वेशन से कितना होगा स्टूडेंट्स?
y डैश माइनस y.
y डैश माइनस y. दिस विल बी y डैश माइनस y और ये मेरा प्लस y डैश एज इट इज हाई है. बस हो गया, इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए और आंसर चेक करने के लिए रेडी हो जाइए. इट विल बी y डबल डैश इक्वल टू माइनस y प्लस y डैश 2y डैश टेकिंग लेफ्ट साइड माइनस 2y डैश और माइनस y minus 2y taking that side plus 2y equals to 0. Check the answer please, and I hope this should be right.
Correct.
Yes. Right students, so like this we have done. Now someone Hitesh Chaudhary, will you read the next question number 6th? I hope everyone, each and everyone who is listening me is writing in the notebook, because this is very important. Maths cannot be learned by watching the videos. If you don't write, you cannot write a single line. So I request you all people that please keep writing, keep practicing by solving. This is very important. Hitesh, will you read the next question? Hitesh Chaudhary from B section, will you read the next question? No, he is not responding. Nandini Chaudhary, I can see your name. Nandini Chaudhary, will you read the next question? No, they are not there. Anyone from A section? Ekansh Malav, please read the next question. Yes, there is no Ekansh Malav. It seems people are they are not there in the class. Rajvi Yadav, are you there listening me? 1 2 3 4 3. Yes, Rajvi sir. Yadav, Rajvi, please. Yes, sir. Please read the next question.
Yes, sir.
Please read the next question. Yes. We are waiting for you, Rajvi.
So, from the differential equation of the family of circles touching y-axis or at origin.
Can you repeat, please? Slowly. Which question number? Question number?
6.
बोलिए.
From the differential equation of the family of circle touching the y-axis at origin.
Form means create the differential equation of family of circles touching y-axis at origin. So first work is, even equation is also not given. First work is to draw the graph. So family of circles touching y-axis at origin. What does it mean? Circle touching y-axis. Circle touching y-axis मतलब ऐसा है ना, but कहाँ पर? At origin. So it will be like this, or on the other side. So in general, any one you draw. This is circle touching y-axis, right? Now if I assume its center, how to assume its center? If this radius is a, suppose, then this point will be how much, students?
2a comma 0.
2a comma 0. This will be 2a comma 0, and this center coordinates will become a comma 0. Correct? Equation of circle. Someone please tell me equation of circle here. I hope you remember the equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What will be the equation of circle here, students? There is no meaning of sitting dull. Be active, switch on your mic and speak up. Anyone from B section? I know someone must be there who can tell me the answer. Anyone
X
from
minus a whole square
x minus? Yes, Nutan.
minus a whole square
Okay.
plus y square
Yes, which means y minus 0 here, whole square. Yes, equals to
equals to a square.
radius square. But what is the radius here? Radius is a only. Very good. नूतन अब क्या करें? इसके बाद क्या किया जाए? मुझे तो डिफरेंशिएट करना है इसको, मुझे तो इसकी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन क्रिएट करनी है. So I have to differentiate it how many times in this equation, students?
One time.
I have to differentiate only one time because this contains only one arbitrary constant. So let us differentiate it, right? Differentiating, I think, or what should be done? चलो डिफरेंशिएट कर देते हैं. एक्सपेंड करके a स्क्वायर कैंसिल होगा, फिर a को एलोन क्रिएट बना के भी डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी आएगा. लेट अस सी डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. 2x minus a plus 2y y dash equals to 0. Still a is not eliminated. Problem. So I have to eliminate a. To eliminate a, first let me cancel 2 throughout. X minus a plus y dash equals to 0. So x plus y dash, this will be a value. A equals to x plus y dash. I have to eliminate a, and मैं क्या करने जा रहा हूँ, इस a वैल्यू को इक्वेशन 1 में पुट कर देता हूँ. Then मेरा a eliminate हो जाएगा. So this will become x minus x plus y dash square plus y square equals to x plus y dash square. X get cancelled. This will be y square y dash square plus y square is equal to x square plus y dash whole square plus 2xy y dash. Right? I think one more term get cancelled, and what remains is your answer. So the final answer will be y square is equal to x square plus 2xy dash. Right? All the students please check the answer and tell me, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
Correct? Right now the time is 9:51. One comment I have created in 12th AAC mathematics classroom. Please mark your attendance there.